Smoking one last joint with Dan the Man here before I head back to Vegas.
No.
Leaving Detroit, bro.
Leaving Detroit. It's been a good time though.
Could have stayed.
Good time.
Could have partied.
We did
We'll
party.
still be here.
We partied a little bit.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
I partied a
Shane,
lot.
I know what you're capable of. And you did not party.
Yeah, Shane's getting weak on us.
See, I need a manager.
I'm his manager, okay? Let's make it happen, okay? For all bookings, you come through me for Shane motherfucking Sparks. How about that?
Well, we're getting all of our vlog gear ready. Trying to figure out what we're gonna need, what we're not gonna need. I'm laying on the floor again, stretching my back, getting ready for the trip. I have to take everything that I do in my life as part of the movie.
Yes.
Everything.
Every little movie you
everything we do is
Every
part of
little
the
movie you make. Every little
Right.
movie you make, and then just edit that shit out.
Right. It all started right here.
In this little bedroom.
This little bedroom. Probably eventually figure out more efficient ways to pack this thing, but for now this is what we're working with. So we're ready to hit the road. It looks like there's gonna be some rain down in Illinois, so I'm not even sure if we're gonna get past Indiana today. We'll see. So here's the issue. I'm stoned, I'm hungry, she's got Fruit Loops and Chex, and it's gonna rain. So I think we're gonna stick around a little bit longer here.
The sky's not very promising.
Don't look too bad that away, but over that away, it's getting darker and darker.
And that's the way he's going.
And that's the way I'm going. Unless I go south instead, maybe I should go to Florida.
Unless he just goes downstairs to my...
So this is not my favorite place to hang out, but an overpass will definitely keep you dry during the rain. And it's raining right now.
Sometimes I get high to free my mind. Is that alright? Right. Sometimes I get drunk to pass the time. Is that alright? Is that alright? Right. Let's roll up some. Let's pull up some. 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 Sometimes I get high to get shit off my brain. Is that alright? Right. Sometimes I like to get wasted. Sometimes I like to get faded. Sometimes I forgot what I was finna say. Right. Let's roll up some. Let's pull up some. 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 Before the hoes was ever noticing, bank was broken full of overages. Cruising 5 miles spoken this. My heart was cold and so emotionless. Here I can't hear my own thoughts. Hell yeah, yeah, yeah. Silence every phone call. Too much thinking and too much time in the attic. Too much drinking and too much weed for my habit. Too much passion and too much swag for the average. No need to explain.
Well, we found a strap here that we're gonna use. This one's a cinch strap and it looks pretty heavy duty. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this backpack on the rack and off my back. And I'm picking up Sarah and we're gonna go get some lunch somewhere or something. We just gotta figure out where we're gonna go. Choices are limited here.
Cool. Ready?
How's the burger?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
I like it.
One of the best in town. For the value.
Yes. For sure.
Okay, so I figured out what happened. I found these hanging underneath this rack here. So what happened was the exhaust gases coming out of the tailpipe here were hot enough to melt the straps, and we lost them both. So we're gonna have to figure out another idea for this. Well, a friend of mine gave me some zip ties. So we're gonna connect some of these together and zip tie that tent to the rack, or hopefully the gases won't melt through that. I think that should do the job. We got the zip ties on there, and they're further back, so the gas is going to be hitting here. I got a shield up there underneath, so that's what's protecting that tent. So I think as long as these zip ties are back here, we're good. Should be good to go.